Hey guys, Tony here. How's everybody doing? This isn't really going to be a TA, more of a, I think we've actually hit bottom and we're probably not going to go lower than this relative low of 28.54. And this goes for the whole crypto market. I think that this rally right now is still in play. I think we're still good for Bitcoin and for Ethereum, but ever since we actually came down from over here, back on December, every single time we've actually created a weak bear candle on the daily, it's always happened to give us essentially the floor, right? So I'll give you guys an example. Right, we actually created that dark blue candle. What happened? Floor, ran up. Same here, dark blue candle, floor, ran up. Same thing right here, right there, dark blue candle. Down here in the reverse MACD, what happened? Boom, floor. Dropped a little bit lower, but for the most part, you traded within range, you popped. And I think today, if in 3 hours and 23 minutes, we actually close the day on this dark blue candle on the reverse MACD, I think we've hit a floor. And I think for the most part, I do not think we're gonna go down. If anything, I think we're gonna keep pushing all the way up to go past 34.16. And I think we're gonna actually end up passing that within this week or so. So I think we might even see, us passing 35.16, which is the actual magic number, the relative high that we had back here. I think we do end up passing that. I do think there's a really good chance that we keep pushing. And the next stop for Ethereum, Bitcoin is going to be that next support line up. For Ethereum, it's going to be 37.5. I think for Bitcoin, it'll probably be like, let's check. Bitcoin, it'll probably be like 48K. But that is essentially my signal right now. It does seem like Ethereum is leading as far as what is easier to indicate and look for patterns. So if in 3 hours and 22 minutes, we end up closing on a, weak bearish candle on the reverse MACD, then I 100% think that we found, another bottom right here for crypto. And we're going to have another push to the upside, possibly beating this previous resistance of 34.16 and possibly for Bitcoin going back up to 48K. So at least that for now, that is my sentiment. You might see us trade sideways for a little bit, but again, the only confirmation I need is that we do close this weak bear trigger on the day. I think that we're essentially just going to either trade sideways and up or just go up from here. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.